Hello my dear friends, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome all of you if you are watching to me. So my dear friends, this video for you. If you want to improve yourself, if you are learning something, my dear friends, taking I have come and you must watch if you are coming first time at this YouTube channel. So this video depend in English and you must know that if you want to improve, if you want to learn, so first of all be think and be go to serious at this talk how we can learn this language, because I am not know from basic how we can improve of myself and how we can think in English. So you must know that at this talk if you are going to learn and if you think that you have to improve yourself, you must watch about your knowledge, you must go what you can think, how much you collect in your mind, how much you can repeat again and again that word. So what are you doing, how you can learn, where are you going and what you must do. Lot of think, lot of talk, create in your mind how you have to learn and how you have to think. If we are going on the road, we are watching lot of people what they are doing, we have to think that time, we have to watch how we can create, how we can make lot of sentences in English, how we can improve of myself. If we are learning, if we are getting speak something in this video, so I am thinking about that image what I want to speak and what we have to say about that subject. My dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you want to change yourself, if you want to do well in your future, you must need work at yourself, you must need know about your lack, what are you doing mistake in your present, how you can do and how you can do implement if you want to do well. My dear friends, you must know that at this talk if you want to improve yourself, you must forget at this talk. If you will ignore about your mistake, if you would not think and if you would not serious lot of us taking for your ambition, I think that you cannot do well in your life, I think that you cannot achieve something well. You have to think, you have to give, you have to watch and you have to learn lot of us about yourself if you want to improve, if you want to learn, and in which people you are watching and in which people you are getting inspiration person you are watching in your future. My dear friend, we are learning watching of people and we are saying in my video, if you want to do well in yourself, if you want to gain well, you have to need know what are you and how you can do implement in yourself, how you can learn lot of us, how you can collect the word to speak, what you have to keep and how you can keep a different way, how you can say your talk between of people and how you must develop your confidence level. My dear friends, lot of think come in your mind if you are watching, if you are thinking, I think you can capable to do everything in your life, but you have to know you must not die your purpose, your passion. And what are you now? You must work something. If you, perhaps you are doing slowly, but you must do. I think that sometime will come as everything will be well in your future. If you would think, and if you would give time only, if you are thinking I will do it and I will achieve in my future lot of precious taking for your fear, taking for your ambition, but you are nothing doing, you are nothing put up for your purpose, for your passion to you, I think you cannot get to reach what are you thinking. You must know that what you want to achieve in your future. If you do not consider, my dear friends, you would nothing do. And lot of people are not making ambition now what they want to achieve, because when I thinking about myself, I am trouble taking off at this talk. What I will do, I don't know that, but I am trying to do well in my future.